Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain EQUATEMOBILE app review to see with what you're using. So let's dive into it. EQUATEMOBILE is a companion app for managing your company equity compensation through Equate Plus. With it, you can view your stock plan, check balances, access important documents, and even make trade directly from your phone. The app is designed to bring the convenience of mobile access to what is often a desktop experience only, which makes it easier to stay on top of your investment on the go. However, EQUATEMOBILE has its fair share of issues. Many users complain about constant login problems, glitches with Face ID or Touch ID, and errors that make simple action frustrating. Some also report long delay in seeing transaction update and difficulties getting help from customer support. While recent updates have improved certain features, the overall experience still feels unreliable for many. So in my opinion, the app still worth using if you need mobile access to your employer's equity plan and only use it for basic viewing, but not actually ideal if you expect smooth performance, fast update, or reliable support. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.